Happy Tuesday. Couldn't think of anything else to say. It's been a few days since I've done a video. I mean, we did the live stream Friday, which I should probably apologize, because from what I understand, I wasn't really there so much at the end of the live stream on Friday. I understand after the fact that I invited everyone to go to Vegas, which still seems like a great idea now. So I mean, we'll talk about that later, but we should do that. We should all go to Vegas in March and probably spend the night in jail. But still, anyway, so let's we got some stuff to do to the Heritage today, because you can't get anything these days, but some things are actually supposed to show up today. So let's see how many days this video takes. Make note, blue shirt. Let's see what shirt I'm wearing at the end of the video. So the things I have for today is I got a new dash panel and a new seat and a new wheel, which I'm skeptical as to whether that'll show up, because FedEx has been having issues FedExing lately. Everyone's been having issues, but really, at least with my house, the last FedEx order, I actually got a message saying, what's the gate code to get in the subdivision? And I said, well, if you look, the gates aren't closed. Think about that for a minute. So yeah, anyway, so let's see if FedEx decides to deliver. We'll see. UPS delivered yesterday, not to start some sort of war. That'd be fun, right? FedEx guys, you know, whatever. Let's not go down that path. But I just think it'd be hilarious to see FedEx guys and UPS guys beating the shit out of each other in parking lots. Anyway, so we have on here old man Elvis-y dash panel with studs. I hate studs. I don't, except that one. No, it's not my thing. I don't like fringe. I don't like studs. No offense if you do. I don't like studs. I don't like studs. I don't like conchos. Last thing I forgot. Not a fan of that style. So, today, actually yesterday, I had delivered the new seat for the bike, which is a Mustang Revere, which is like the custom line. Now, I didn't go, hey, you know what? I really want a custom Revere Mustang. I just said I want a seat. And it's the only goddamn seat I could find in America that would go on the bike right now, because nobody has anything. The first one that I ordered, you guys saw before, was this wonderful Saddleman that doesn't, in no way whatsoever fits that bike, but it's not Saddleman's fault. It's, I don't know where the hell I get that from. Amazon, which sold it from some third-party bike shop that probably not even their fault. It's like they didn't just have the nomenclature correct on the bike. So let's put on a seat that fits today. Got something fun. In order to do the quick swap of the Elvis leather take panel there, got a new Torx bit set. So I just want to plug this because I bought this. No one sent this to me. I just thought it was a good deal, and we'll see if it's worth a damn. Amazonian, Lexivon. Once knew a girl named Lexivon. No, I'm sorry. So there's it's just a Torx bit set I found on Amazon for a little bit of money, very cheap. I think it was like $15, $16, $17. I don't know, I'll put the link down below, but it has a T27, which is very exciting. Because it's what you need that you don't ever have, because most sets don't come with it and all that stuff. And I'm one hand cutting this package open. So let's see. There you go, just throw the knife. That was a nice gift from a friend who's probably watching this going, you son of a... Anyway. Look at this, look. Yay! Yeah, you're watching me open a Torx bit set. So that's a exciting little booger for like less than 20 bucks. And yeah, it doesn't say any major brand, but whatever. Lifetime warranty. I'm sure that's crap. So T27, something you need that you never have that you lose. And I actually have snapped off the tips on a lot of these things. Just the tip. Anyway, so new Torx bits, very exciting. We'll use that to take the leather panel off and make this thing look better. Right. So issues. always issues on something this stupid. So the tank panel, which I kind of knew this was going to be a thing, and I knew from the very beginning that, what the hell did I do with that? that this is not your like old school shaped Harley tank panel. See how it's a little wider up top and kind of curves in, and holes are a little wider than normal and that kind of stuff. It's because this is for the cat eye dash. I'll show you what I'm talking about. And you'll see immediately the issue. So this is the cat eye dash, you know, and which is stock on this 14 bike, but it's supposed to be more nostalgic, etc., etc. It's on the deluxe and a bunch of things, I think. But you see how it kind of slopes at the bottom? See, I got these, that's nice, that's good. I like this panel, it just said Evil Bastard on it, had this cool little design on it. Got it on Amazon, but it's like a small business owner that, you know, you buy it on Amazon, Amazon pays them, and they ship it through the mail, and it's here in a few days. But, you know, it was a cool little booger, but I kind of knew it wasn't going to fit. It was like 60 bucks, I guess. I'm going to hold on to it just because I liked it. And you never know when you can use it, and that's why it goes in the Hall of Fame over there of parts that I'm going to need it someday, right? So this ain't going to work in the long run. You can't even see Evil Bastard because it's under the tank. So what I'm going to have to do is go to my local leather dude, and I'm going to give this to him. His name's Gus. I like him a lot. He works out of Alligator Alley, Harley up there. He's a good dude. So I'm going to give him this and see if we can't do something fun. He'll have this to pattern off of. Maybe put my road name on it, or Pro Monkey, or my last name, or I don't know, something, a picture of a naked woman on fire. I don't know, something like that. Gus will come up with something interesting to replace that, but that's fine for now. In the process of doing that stupid thing, I also did put my my Noco pigtail on. I get a lot of questions about this, that I did a video a long time ago about battery chargers and jump packs. And where this started from actually was this bike. So when the battery died in this guy, lasted a good 5 years, I think it was, about 2 years ago, maybe not even. I had to get a new battery for it, and I didn't buy Harley. I bought something. It was, I can't remember what brand. I'm not going to pull the damn thing out to show you. It was an off-brand, but not a cheap one, you know. And I found that battery tenders, both Harley's little one and battery tender's big one, bigger one, actually ran the battery down too much. I know, it's nuts. And then you'd get her started with a jump pack or something, ride the bike around, and the battery's fine. It'd be fine for days, if not weeks, with no problem. And because this bike's sad all the time, because I ride these other ones. And so I'm like, well, God, the damn battery tender didn't work. So what I ended up doing was getting a Noco battery charger. Noco's the company, short story long. People have asked, like, what is the name of that company? It's N-O-C-O. Big company. As a matter of fact, if you own a Harley-Davidson jump pack, the one they sell for $129 or something like that, I hate to break this to you, but what you own is the $99 Noco, just rebranded to say Harley on it. It's a pretty cool little booger. It plugs into, it's got, you know, alligator clips, and just clips on the top of your battery. You hit a button, bing, bang, boom, you get a bunch of juice and she'll start. Well, Noco actually sells this harness right here, which is, excuse me, the female of that jump pack. And yes, it's the same one for the one, whether you have the Harley-Davidson branded one or the one that's Noco. There's also an adapter that goes in here that creates a smaller plug that hooks up to Noco's regular battery charger. And their regular battery charger is not a battery tender, it's a charger. It even has the, whatever that does to recondition a battery and bring it back and tests the battery and does the whole thing, and it's not expensive. So on my other bike, on Johnny Cash, that in there, because the stereo drains the battery dead in that sucker in no time. I put a Noco pigtail on it so that it'd be ready to easily plug into the jump pack and use the charger, because the battery tender takes too damn long. Battery tender is super weak, by the way. The amount of amps and stuff it's putting out is nothing versus a charger. I'm making this longer than it needs to be. And I said, no, I'll leave the battery tender pigtail on there. And for this one, why? The battery tender actually hurts the battery in this thing and drains it down too much to have some juice in it, but not enough to actually fire the bike. So I took it off, you know, and I only use the Noco. So what do I need a battery tender for? So I took that off. This is the guy. I want to say this little pigtail here that again plugs into either the jump pack or use the adapter to go into the charger. I think that's like 20 or 30 bucks. I'll put all the links down below with correct prices, I'm sorry, for that. And then the jump pack's $99, and then the charger's maybe another 100 or 129. I don't know, I'll put all the stuff down there. I don't have a relationship, I don't have a code for you. They're not paying me to say this. I just think NoCo shit's really good. So there you go. Yeah, let's put the seat on now. So, ta-da! That is the Mustang Revere, which is just the more plain black stitching. This was like their sort of small batch, for lack of a better word, seat that they made a bunch of different designs and colors and stitchings and stuff like that. I think they even made it in like metal flake vinyl finishes and stuff. I don't know. They made all kinds of wild ones. It just happened that I like Mustangs. It's a good seat, and Revzilla had this in stock. So I don't want to act like, oh, I searched far and wide, but that is pretty damn cool. I like the stitching on it. I think that was I don't think I paid shipping, but taxes was like $330 something. I don't know. I'll put a link because I think they had one more or something after that. So if you've got one of these like late model skinny tire Softails, not a slim, but you know a heritage, I guess. The reason I say not a slim is because the slim evidently has one screw in the back like that, and that's why that seat has to go back. But yeah, there you go. So we're about ready. I wish this crap would knock it off so that I could go for a ride. That's probably not going to happen today. I'll post this video today anyway, but we need to go for another ride here soon. Maybe if the weather's a bit better tomorrow. I hope it's better. I have some friends of mine in a local club. Their annual is this Saturday, so I'll be going I'll take the long way down, about 100 miles down to a place in the Lauderdale area to hang out with them. Maybe if they say tell everybody, I'll tell everybody. If you're in Florida, you come join us and have a drink, or 26. But there she is so far. Got a big old wheel in the front. We got a cool tire. We got a damn tank bib that doesn't fit. It says evil bastard, but it's covered by the dash. Things have always got to be a little off. Back wheel should be here today if FedEx decides to FedEx. I'm not going to worry about that until they get here because I'm not sure what's going to happen. So I want to go ahead and post this today so you guys have something, because I'm already getting emails going, where are you at? But that's all, guys. Mustang Revere seat on Revzilla. I'll put the link. I'll put the link to this too, because if you've got, a square dash, it's perfect. That's a pretty cool piece of, it's nicely made and stuff, and it's a small business, so I'll put that on there. For I think I paid 60, maybe 70 bucks for that. And oh, the NoCo stuff too. I'll put links to that too. Trying to make everybody happy. Take care of each other out there. We'll talk real soon. Bye.